Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. Hit the subscribe button, join 78,000 people, smash up thumbs up button. I'm also going to show you Ethereum as well. Bitcoin is still holding on. If it does the final and fifth wave, we should be testing 28,000, but $25,000 is a big resistance. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going to technical. Also, I'm going to show you some very cool stuff about Gamium, a project that I interviewed the founders of a long time ago, 1 year ago, and they just announced that they got partnered with Meta, which is beautiful. So this is Bitcoin at the moment. Stochastic on the 4 hourly is reset. On the daily, it's heading down. We have very strong support here. You can see here where we're sitting right now, just above 22,500 is a very strong support. When you go in, we can see that we're doing like a 5-wave Elliott pattern here. 1, 2, the impulse wave on the third is weaker. 4, but it didn't make a lower low, so that's a good thing. And if the fifth wave moves, 25k is a big resistance, but 28k is then 27k would be the target. You can see here that Bitcoin is moving with this in this channel. On the daily, it's oversold. On the 4 hourly, also oversold. We broke out of that descending channel like I talked about, which is beautiful, and it's making now a higher it's making higher lows. You can see here that Bitcoin now is making higher lows, which is a good thing. So now let's get rid of that previous prediction, which is beautiful. Let's clear up our line so we can just see fresh information as much as possible. Fresh information is good. So that's the new kind of trend line that's forming here on Bitcoin. You can see here we've got multiple touches along this trend line. I would be going, most likely, there is a chance that Bitcoin comes down here, bounces off here, and then heads up, because that is the main trend line. But on the 4 hourly, it's oversold. On the hourly, we're making a descending triangle on the hourly, which is beautiful. On the hourly, it's also, I wouldn't say that's an inverse head and shoulders. That looks really good. Also on the daily, I noticed that there is a big pattern starting to form here, but we'll talk about that as it progresses more. So on the hourly, we've got this descending triangle playing out, this one here, which builds pressure, and then usually will break out to the upside following the trend line. So if that happens, the target for Bitcoin off this will be 24,000. It's trending up right now, which is beautiful. You can see here that we're trending up, making higher highs and higher lows. So I would be going long here off Bitcoin. Target would be that $24,000 area. So I'd go long from here, stop loss just underneath, very little risk to reward ratio, and take profit at the target at that previous all-time high or recent high. And that will give us an 8.75 risk to reward ratio trade, risking $72 to make $636, which is beautiful. Risking $72 to make $636 with 10x leverage, that's $6,360. On the 15 minutes, also looking good. The trade, we can move it to open a bit lower from here because that's the strong support. That's the trade, and then with the tighter stop loss, we don't need such a strong stop loss. Longs like this. I would take on Bitcoin, risking $58 to make $636, 10x leverage $6,360, with 100x leverage $63,000. That's the trade that I would be opening on Bitcoin. Opening it at 23,189, stop loss at 23,131, and take profit at 23,826, which is beautiful. If you want to trade Bitcoin, underneath the description and pin comment on this video, down below, you can go down below and sign up in the description, pin comment, sign up to Bybit using that link. You get $30,000 worth of bonuses when you use that link, $30,000, but it is for a limited time only. So in the description and pin comment, signing up to Bybit using that link, $30,000 worth of bonuses. You can take the crypto master course to learn technical analysis, and you can join the free Telegram alerts group, which is beautiful. I also want to show you today Gamium, which if you followed my videos along, so 1 year ago, I talked about Gamium CEO interview. I interviewed the CEO on my channel 1 year ago, and today they announced a partnership with Meta. We're delighted to announce our collaboration with industry leaders Meta and Telefonica through their Metaverse Activision program. So it's Gamium GMM targeted with partnered with Meta, and then after that announcement it had a 450% pump, which means it's 10x since I talked about it on that seed investment time when I invested in it, which is beautiful. Congratulations anyone that looked at Gamium. Also, ChatGod, check out how to start with chatgod.ai. Log in with your details, choose your messenger, WhatsApp, Telegram, and you can talk directly to chatgod.ai. It's a new kind of ChatGPT mixed with other AIs. You'll lose a lot of friends when you get serious about crypto. That's why a Lambo only has 2 seats and a bus has 30. Great video. You're one of the few trusted sources. Thank you for helping us. This student made 40% on Gala, which is beautiful. This was me predicting Bitcoin breaking out. I think Bitcoin is going to do something like this. You can see that. So in the longer term time frame, you can see this is the downtrend that started from November 11th when I called the top. We've been trending down. Now we're in a descending triangle. You can see this big descending triangle, which is actually a bullish pattern. And I predicted this break bounce off here. And now we need to see if we can break through this 18K. If we can break through this 18K, then this descending triangle is in effect, and this will be a huge move for Bitcoin. Target was $25,000, and we actually hit it, which is beautiful. So that's what's happening in the market. On my Bybit trade, my Bitcoin trade is up $446. It was negative $2,000, positive $2,000 today, now sitting at positive $446. It's an 8 Bitcoin trade, so $192,000 trade. In this account, I have 224,000. I've got 3.5 Bitcoin, 67,000 USDT, 10.7 million MCRT, and that is the trade that I'll take on Bitcoin. I'll have to show the Ethereum trade in the next video, which is beautiful. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hit the subscribe button, smash up the thumbs up button. This is James from Crypto Guru. I'm still very bullish on Bitcoin. Let's see how it plays out, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.